Dude, cover your mouth! Oh, man. That big honkin' sneeze you produced just traveled a greater distance than previously thought. Some 5 to 200 feet further, in fact. The new flying phlegm findings from MIT researchers recently published in the Journal of Fluid Mechanics describe how the mucousy matter ejected during a cough or sneeze stays afloat for greater expanses of time and space, buoyed up by a heretofore undetected gas cloud that accompanies the effluent. This so-called multi-phase turbulent buoyant bubble mixes with the ambient air, creating swirling eddies that keep smaller drops of ejected spittle suspended for greater lengths of time than larger drops. The minute droplets, 10 to 100 micrometers in diameter, frequently remain aloft long enough to make it to that ventilation duct in the ceiling above you. The results of this study should aid in development of public environments that better guard against the spread of airborne pathogens.